In this video version of Made Consent Studio, this is the first version for study Thai traditional in 2008. The second is Thai Garden 2014. Three version is the Made Consent 2023. For this is Made Consent Studio 2026. This is a first version NRCT certificate 2008. The second version Thai Medicinal Plant Garden 2014 certificate by NRCT of Thailand. The third version is on 2023. It's a license of Thailand. The next version is a Made Consent Studio 2026. Now it developed will present in 2026. This is a evolution of Made Consent Studio. This is a first version medical study. This is a Made Consent 2023 about medical study and health check. Software is Thai Medical Plant Garden about pharmacy, herbal, and drug study. Two software combined to the one is the Made Consent Studio 2026. Made Consent Studio 2026. Then level 1 is for study, for students, for people, for teacher. The one step. The two step is self-care and treat family member to care family. And personal health record. Annual check can collect to this program and see a graph of indicator to check a body health. The step 3 is occupation. Use Made Consent Studio to help pharmacist, medical, and nurse can use the Made Consent Studio 2026. Software is freeware. This is a Made Consent Studio structure. This is a internal link. It is a static data in personal computer. In the personal computer, will have a text data.mst, a picture.jpg, video mp4. In a computer on IC, we have a database. Database have a static and dynamic database. Have a URL for external link. External link is a dynamic data. It can change by website, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or AI. These are dynamic data. Pass a URL to a website, URL to the YouTube, URL to the Facebook, URL to a TikTok, and URL to AI.